Hi, welcome to LB0 Fox India Norwegian Adventures. This is not my car. This car belongs to Lima Alpha 5 Victor Lima, and he's done one of the most beautiful installations of an HF rig in a car that I've ever seen. So we're going to take a look at that today, and Vidar's going to tell us what it did and what his thoughts about it is. So please join us and we'll take a closer look.
Hello, I'm Vidar, ham radio call sign Lima Alpha 5 Victor Lima. I wanted to install my FT891 in my new electric car, the Kia EV6. By sheer luck, the interior of this car has ample space below the dashboard to mount the control head of the rig. The underside of this car's OLED panel is a flat surface that gives ample space to put a 3D printed mounting bracket for the control head. Double-sided mounting tape will hold the entire installation: control head, speaker, push-to-talk button and RJ45 switch. The tape can come off if you really need to, and it will leave no traces. The 3D printed bracket was drawn in SketchUp software, a 3D model printed by a good friend. No drilling, no screws. I came up with this 3D model to be printed. When the control head is separated from the main unit, the built-in speaker is of little use. I picked up a neat little speaker that would connect to the external speaker out of the main unit by means of a 3.5mm mono plug. The standard hand microphone with push-to-talk switch is normally connected to the main unit by a RJ45 plug. This connection, which holds microphone signal as well as PTT, had to be extended. Connecting a headset to the control head will mute the speaker. When using headset, I want the boom mic to replace the hand mic. In this situation, I also need a push-to-talk switch somewhere. Yaesu units needs the RJ45 connection for either a speaker and hand mic with PTT or a headset with boom mic and a separate PTT switch. Foot switch is not an option in this case. Although Yaesu uses RJ45 plugs and Ethernet cable for this connection, it has nothing to do with Ethernet network switching. The switch needs to select between two RJ45 sources, hand mic with PTT and external speaker, or a headset with boom mic and a separate PTT switch. I picked up this 2-input, 1-output RJ45 switch that fits the bill fine. The handheld mic with PTT switch connects to input A. I made my own RJ45 plug that connects mic, plus and minus, as well as the two connections for the PTT switch. At the other end of this switch is the output socket, which connects to the RJ45 input of the FT891 main unit by an Ethernet extension cord. The remote speaker is permanently connected to the FT891 by an extension lead. When using my headset, it plugs into 3.5mm socket of the control head, which mutes the speaker. The boom mic connector is placed close to this on the printed bracket. Having read up on people's mixed experience with connecting the rigs to the electrical system of the vehicle, let alone an electric one, I decided not to use the car's electrical system at all. I am powering the entire rig from one stand-alone 20 amp hour lithium battery. I'm using an Yaesu ATAS 120A attached to the roof by a magnetic mount. The antenna coax is fed via the rear passenger door. The antenna ground is not connected to the body of the vehicle. The base of the antenna mount is connected to the roof of the car by the capacity between the mount and the roof of the car. At least this is my theory. There is no change in the receive quality with the antenna ground connected or disconnected from the body of the car.
So, that is one of the best installs I've seen. And we got to end it with a QSO so you can see that this works. So let's see what we can find on the bands and do a little bit of a QSO.
Lima Alpha 5 Victor Lima.
Yacht, Sugar Alpha, good afternoon, report 5I9. 73, thank you for 44, my friend. Yeah. Sierra Papa 7. Sierra Papa 7, Mike Whiskey. Sierra Papa 7, Mike Whiskey, good afternoon, report 5I9. Good afternoon, thank you for 5-9. Sierra Papa 7, Mike Whiskey, that's awesome. 5-8, Bella. 73, good luck, 44.
Lima Alpha 5 Victor Lima.
Mexico station.
So thank you, Vidar, for showing your installation. It's been a pleasure to do a video on this. I'm Morten, LB0 Fox India, and you're watching LB0 Fox India Norwegian Ham Ventures. Please click that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and consider subscribing. And if you want to support the channel a little bit more, there's some info down below. And that's it for now. Until next time, 7-3.